Good morning students, welcome to today's maths class. So we have been discussing about chapter 20, area of trapezium and a polygon, in that exercise 20b. Next 10th question, the length of a rectangle is 16 centimeter and its perimeter is equal to the perimeter of a square with side 12.5 centimeter. Find the area of the rectangle. So here in the question, it is given length of a rectangle is 16 centimeter. Length of a rectangle, it is given 16 centimeter. Then its perimeter is equal to perimeter of a square with side 12.5 centimeter. Okay, so first we need to find the perimeter of a square with the side at 12.5 centimeter. So how can we find the perimeter of a square? Formula, it is 4 into side. Okay, now side is given 12.5 centimeter, so 4 into 12.5. Okay, so 4 into 12.5, you will get a 50. 500, 125 into 4, it is 500, but after decimal point 1 digit is coming, so you will get 50 centimeter. This is the perimeter of a square with side 12.5 centimeter, but given this is the perimeter of the given rectangle. Okay, therefore perimeter of rectangle is also 50 centimeter. Okay, perimeter of the rectangle is equal to perimeter of a square with side 12.5 centimeter. Okay, since we got the perimeter of a square 50 centimeter, perimeter of rectangle is also 50 centimeter. Now what is the question? We have to find the area of the rectangle. Length of a rectangle is given and perimeter we find that. Now we need to find its breadth. Okay, so you can use this formula of perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle 50 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle you can find by using the formula 2 into L plus B equal to 50. Okay, now this 2 we can take to the other side. Before that, 2 into length, it is given 16. So in place of L you can substitute 16. 2 into 16 plus B equal to 50. Now we can take this 2 to the other side. Multiplication 2 on taking to other side, it will be 50 divided by 2. That is 16 plus B equal to 25. So B value, B will be equal to 25 minus 16. Okay, you will get a 9. So breadth it is 9 centimeter. Okay, now we can find the area of rectangle. That is the question. Area of rectangle equal to, we know the formula L into B, length into breadth. So length it is 16 and breadth it is 9. 16 into 9, you will get 144 centimeter square. This will be the area of the rectangle. Okay, 11 and 12 not needed. 13th question, in each of the following cases ABCD is a square and PQRS is a rectangle. Find in each case the area of the shaded portion. All measurements are in meter. So first diagram you can see this PQRS is a rectangle and ABCD is a square. Its measurement, it is given in meter. So length of the rectangle is 3.2 meter, breadth of the rectangle 1.8 meter. Now side of the square is 1.4 meter. You have to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, this is the shaded region. So area of shaded region, how can you find it? Actually, from the area of rectangle, if we subtract the area of square, you will get the remaining area, that is area of shaded region. ഈ ഫുൾ റെക്റ്റാങ്കിളിൻ്റെ ഏരിയയിൽ നിന്ന് ഈ സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെ ഏരിയ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ വി വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് ദ റിമൈനിങ് ഏരിയ. റെക്റ്റാങ്കിളിൻ്റെ ഏരിയ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഈ റെക്റ്റാങ്കിളിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലുള്ള ഈ ഫുൾ പോർഷൻസ് പെടും. ഓക്കെ, ഫ്രം ദാറ്റ് ഇഫ് വി സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ദിസ് മച്ച് ഏരിയ, ദ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദി സ്ക്വയർ, ഈ സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെ ഏരിയ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ റിമൈനിങ് ഏരിയ എത്രയാണെന്നുള്ളത് കിട്ടും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ഷെയ്ഡഡ് റീജിയൻ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ഷെയ്ഡഡ് റീജിയൻ ഈക്വൽ ടു ഏരിയ ഓഫ് റെക്റ്റാങ്കിൾ minus area of square. Okay, from the area of rectangle we are subtracting this area of square. We will get the remaining area. Okay, so area of rectangle, how can we find it? Is L into B minus area of square, it is side square. This is the formula for finding area of square. Okay, now L into B, 3.2 into 1.8 minus side square. Side of the square it is 1.4. So 1.4 whole square. So 3.2 into 1.8 you will get 5.76 and 1.4 whole square it is 1.96. Now 5.76 minus 1.96 you will get 3.8 meters square. This is the area of the shaded portion. Okay, in that second question also same type, but square is outside and rectangle is inside. Okay, so in order to find the area of shaded portion, what to do? Area of square minus area of rectangle. You have to do like that. Okay, from the area of square you have to subtract the area of rectangle, you will get the area of shaded portion. Okay, so do that as homework. 14th question. A path of uniform width 3 meter runs around the outside of a square field of side 21 meter. Find the area of the path. So what is given in the question? Outside a square field there is a path. Its width is 3 meter. You have to find the area of the path. Okay, ഒരു സ്ക്വയർ ഫീൽഡ് ഉണ്ട്. സ്ക്വയർ ഫീൽഡ്, ഇറ്റ്സ് സൈഡ് 21 meter. സ്ക്വയർ ഫീൽഡ് സൈഡ് 21 meter ആണ്. എറൗണ്ട് ദ സ്ക്വയർ ഫീൽഡ് ദർ ഇസ് എ പാത്ത്. ഈ സ്ക്വയർ ഫീൽഡിന് ചുറ്റും ഒരു പാത്ത് ഉണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, its width is given 3 meter. Width means width of the path, we can take it like this. This width. Okay, anywhere you take it will be 3 meter. Width of the path is 3 meter. You have to find the area of the path. Area of the path means this is the path around the square field. So this area you have to find. This is the path. So what is this area? You have to find. Okay, so area of path, how can you find? Area of path equal to area of outer square minus area of inner square. ഈ ഔട്ടർ സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെ ഏരിയയിൽ നിന്ന് ഇന്നർ സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെ ഏരിയ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് ദ റിമൈനിങ് പോർഷൻ്റെ ഏരിയ കിട്ടും. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് പാത്ത്, ഏരിയ ഓഫ് പാത്ത്. ഓക്കെ, ഏരിയ ഓഫ് പാത്ത് ഈക്വൽ ടു ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ഔട്ടർ സ്ക്വയർ മൈനസ് ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ഇന്നർ സ്ക്വയർ. Now how can we find the area of outer square? Okay, so this is the square field, its side is 21 meter. This is the outer square, that means including path. Okay, now this width is given 3 meter. So here it will be 3 meter, here also 3 meter. Okay, now anywhere you take, if you extend the square field, the side of the square field, you will get a 3 meter only. Here it will be 3 meter, here also 3 meter. Anywhere you take, here 3 meter, here also 3 meter. So we need to find the side of the outer square. Okay, how can we find? From this we can find that this much portion it is 3 meter. This is 21 meter and this is 3 meter. This length, ഈ ഒരു ലെങ്ത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഔട്ടർ സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെ സൈഡിൻ്റെ ലെങ്ത്തിനോട് ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഇൻസ്റ്റഡ് ഇഫ് യു വാണ്ട് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ദ ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ഔട്ടർ ഓർ സൈഡ് ഓഫ് ഔട്ടർ സ്ക്വയർ, യു ഹാവ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദിസ് ലെങ്ത്. ഈ ലെങ്ത് എത്രയെന്നുള്ളത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. ഈ പോയിൻ്റ് മുതൽ ഈ പോയിൻ്റ് വരെയുള്ള ലെങ്ത്. ഓക്കെ, ഔട്ടർ സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെ സൈഡ് എത്രയാണെന്ന്, എത്ര ലെങ്ത് ആണെന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ ഈ ഒരു ലെങ്ത് ആണ് നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത്. സോ ദിസ് ലെങ്ത് ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ലെങ്ത് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ സെയിം, ദാറ്റ്സ് വൈ. ഓക്കെ, നൗ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ദിസ് ഇസ് ദ വിഡ്ത്ത് ഓഫ് ദി പാത്ത്. സോ ദിസ് മച്ച് ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി 3 മീറ്റർ. ഇവിടെ മുതൽ ഇവിടം വരെ 3 മീറ്റർ ആണ്. നൗ ഫ്രം ദിസ് പോയിൻറ്റ് ടു ദിസ് പോയിൻറ്റ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ദി സൈഡ് ഓഫ് ദി സ്ക്വയർ ഫീൽഡ്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് 21 മീറ്റർ. ഇതെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ പോയിൻ്റ് മുതൽ ഈ പോയിൻ്റ് വരെ സ്ക്വയർ ഫീൽഡ് സൈഡാണ്. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 21 മീറ്റർ. നൗ എഗെയിൻ from this point to this point it is width of the path, that is 3 meters. So total what you will get 3 plus 21 plus 3, 21 plus 6, you will get a 27 meter. So that will be the side of outer square. Okay, so if you get the side of outer square means we can find its area of outer square. It will be side square. Area of square formula, it is side whole square. So if the side is 27 meter means 27 whole square minus, now area of inner square, how can you find inner square or square field? Its side is 21 meter, so its area will be 21 square. Okay, now you just find 27 whole square minus 21 whole square. 27 square it is 729 minus 21 square it is 441. Just subtract that too. 729 minus 441, you will get 288. So 288 meter square will be the area of path. Okay, area of path കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ outer square ന് inner square ന്റെ area minus ചെയ്താൽ മതി. So outer squares side, length of side we need to find. For that we have to find this length. Okay, ഈ lengthum equal ആണ്. So if width of path it is 3 meter, here also 3 meter. So side of square field it is 21 meter. 21 plus 3 plus 3, you will get 27 meter. Okay, like that you have to find the area of outer square and area of inner square. Then on subtracting you will get the area of the path. Okay, so 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th questions not needed. Okay, next topic, trapezium. So you know what is a trapezium. Trapezium means any two quadrilateral in which any one pair of opposite side will be parallel. This is a trapezium. One side will be parallel. Okay, now area of trapezium, there is one formula. Area of trapezium equal to half into a plus b into h, where this a and b are length of the parallel sides. Okay, if this length parallel sides, first you have to find that if these two are parallel, one side you can take it as a, the other side you can take it as b. Parallel sides in the length aanu vendathu. Okay, so one side you can take it as a and the other side b. Now height, it is the distance between these two parallel sides. Okay, parallel sides in the distance. So distance means from the parallel side, from the top parallel side you can draw one perpendicular to the bottom side. Okay, ഒരു പാരലൽ മുകളിലുള്ള ഒരു ലൈനിൽ നിന്ന് പാരലൽ ലൈനിൽ നിന്ന് താഴേക്ക് ഒരു പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ വരയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടുന്നതാണ് ഹൈറ്റ് എച്ച്. ഓക്കെ, സോ we need all these measurements to find the area of trapezium. Some parallel sides length and the distance between that parallel sides. Okay, so if that all that measurements are given means area of trapezium equal to half into a plus b into h. This is the formula for finding the area of trapezium. Okay, next topic, parallelogram. So parallelogram, you know, its opposite sides will be equal and parallel. So this is a parallelogram. How to find the area of parallelogram? There is one formula, area equal to base into its corresponding height. Base into corresponding height. This is the formula for finding the area of parallelogram. So base, you can side any of the side as base. Parallelogram de 4 sides il ed side venengi base aaki edukam. So if this side is the base, what will be the corresponding height? Corresponding height you have to draw that from the opposite side. ഈ സൈഡ് ആണ് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് സൈഡ് ഇതിന് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് വരുന്ന സൈഡിൽ നിന്ന് ജസ്റ്റ് ഡ്രോ പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ ടു ദിസ് സൈഡ്. to the base. Okay, നമ്മൾ ഏത് സൈഡാണോ ബേസ് ആക്കി എടുത്തത് ആ സൈഡിലേക്ക് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ നിന്ന് പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ വരച്ചാൽ ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി ദ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ഹൈറ്റ്. സോ ഇഫ് ദിസ് സൈഡ് ഇസ് ബേസ്, height will be this side, this one. Okay, and if base and height is given means you can find the area of parallelogram using this formula, area equal to base into corresponding height. Okay, now if you are taken this side as base, you can take any side as base. ഈ സൈഡാണ് ബേസ് ആക്കി എടുത്തെങ്കിൽ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ഹൈറ്റ് യു ക്യാൻ ഡ്രോ ഇറ്റ് ഫ്രം ദ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈഡ്. ഇതിന് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് വരുന്ന സൈഡിൽ നിന്ന് ജസ്റ്റ് ഡ്രോ പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ. ഇറ്റ് ഷുഡ് ബി പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ 90 degree. Okay, so if this is the base, this will be the height, corresponding height. Okay, so in that case also we can use the same formula, area equal to base into corresponding height. Okay, next rhombus. So rhombus is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal. ഒരു പാരലലോഗ്രാമിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ സൈഡ്സും ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ then it will be a rhombus. Okay, how to find its area? Since rhombus is a parallelogram, you can use the same formula of area of parallelogram. Okay, rhombus എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു പാരലലോഗ്രാം ആയതുകൊണ്ട് പാരലലോഗ്രാമിൻ്റെ ഏരിയ കാണാനുള്ള ഫോർമുല ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ബേസ് ഇൻറ്റു കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ഹൈറ്റ്. The same formula you can use. Area of a rhombus equal to base into corresponding height since it is a parallelogram. Now there is another formula. If two diagonals of a rhombus are given, let us take one diagonal as D1 and second diagonal as D2. Rhombusന്റെ രണ്ട് diagonals ആണ് തന്നെങ്കിൽ we can use this formula for finding area. Area equal to half into D1 D2, D1 into D2, half into product of its diagonals. Okay, രണ്ട് ഡയഗണൽസിൻ്റെ ലെങ്ത് ആണ് തന്നെങ്കിൽ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് എ റോംബസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ഹാഫ് ഇൻറ്റു D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are length of the two diagonals. Okay, now how to find the perimeter of a rhombus? Perimeter of a rhombus, we know that all the four sides are equal. So if one side is given means perimeter equal to 4 into side. This is the formula for finding perimeter of a rhombus. So area of a rhombus, two formulas are there. Either you can use base into corresponding height or area equal to half into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are the diagonals of the rhombus. Okay, length of diagonals. Now perimeter of a rhombus equal to 4 into side. Okay. Exercise 20C, first question. The following figure shows the cross section ABCD of a swimming pool which is trapezium in shape. If the width DC of the swimming pool is 6.4 meter, depth AD at the shallow end is 80 centimeter and depth BC at the deepest end is 2.4 meter, find the area of the cross section. So this is the cross section of a swimming pool. It is in trapezium shape. Now all the measurements are given here. This AD, it is 80 centimeter. This CD, it is 6.4 meter, and BC, it is 2.4 meter. You have to find its area. Okay, so area of trapezium, we know the formula. Area of trapezium equal to half into A plus B into H, where A and B are the length of parallel sides and H is the distance between the parallel sides. Okay, so here you can see AD and BC are parallel side, but here parallel sides, one side is given in centimeter and second side in meter. You have to make the unit same. Okay, so let us convert this 80 centimeter to meter. So 80 centimeter means 80 by 100 meter, that is 0.8 meter. Okay, so this will be 0.8 meter. Now the distance between these two parallel lines, it is 6.4 meter. That is also given. Now just substitute in the formula. Half into A, it is, let us take a 0.8 plus B 2.4 into height, it is 6.4. Okay, so half into 0.8 plus 2.4. you will get 3.2 into 6.4. Now this 2 and 3.2 we can cancel. You will get 1.6. Now find the value of 1.6 into 6.4. You will get 10.24 and the unit will be meter square. So this is the area of trapezium. Okay, area of that cross section. In that second question, the parallel sides of a trapezium are in the ratio 3:4. If the distance between the parallel sides is 9 decimeter and its area is 126 decimeter square, find the length of its parallel sides. So here in this question, the ratio of the parallel sides of a trapezium it is given. The parallel sides we can take it as A and B. The length of parallel sides we can take it as A and B. So their ratio A is to B, it is given 3:4. Okay, so one parallel side A we can take it as 3x, then B we can take it as 4x. Okay, then in the question it is given distance between the parallel sides, that means h. Distance between the parallel side we take it as h. H equal to 9 decimeter. Then area of this trapezium, area of trapezium it is 126 decimeter square. We have to find the value of A and B. So area of trapezium equal to 126 decimeter square. Just substitute the formula for area of trapezium. It is half into A plus B into H equal to 126. Now substitute values for A, B and H. A 3x, B 4x and H 9. So half into 3x plus 4x into 9 equal to 126. Okay. Now half into 3x plus 4x, it is 7x. We can add that. They are like terms. So half into 7x into 9 equal to 126. Now 7 into 9, 1 into 7x into 9. You will get a 63x by 2 equal to 126. So 63x equal to this divided by 2, on taking to other side it will be 126 into 2. So value of x will be 126 into 2. This multiplication 63 on taking to other side it will be divided by 63. Okay. Now the 63 and 126 divided by 63 it is 2. Okay, so 2 into 2, 4. So value of x is 4. We need 3x and 4x value. 3x, this is A equal to 3x. We take A as 3x and B as 4x. So these values we need. So 3x, if x equal to 4, it will be 3 into 4, you will get 12. Unit will be decimeter. Now 4x will be 4 into 4, that is 16 decimeter. So the length of two parallel sides is 12 decimeter and 16 decimeter. Okay. Third question, the two parallel sides and the distance between them are in the ratio 3:4:2. If the area of the trapezium is 175 centimeter square, find its height. So here two parallel sides, we know we take the parallel sides as A and B. So A is to B is to height. Distance between the two, distance between them means height. Okay, this ratio, the ratio, two parallel sides and the distance between them. Two parallel sides we can take it as A and B, and distance between the two parallel lines we can take it as height h. So this ratio A is to B is to H is given 3:4:2. Okay, so how can we take A equal to 3x, B equal to 4x and H equal to 2x. We can take it like this. Now area of trapezium is given 175 centimeter square. Okay, we have to find h only we need to find here. So area of trapezium formula, it is half into a plus b into h equal to 175. Substituting for a, b and h, half into a it is 3x, b it is 4x. So 3x plus 4x into h it is 2x equal to 175. Now this 2 and this 2 we can cancel. It will be 1. 3x plus 4x it is 7x into x equal to 175. So 7x into x into x it is 7x square equal to 175. So x square equal to 175 divided by 7. Okay, so 7 into 2, 14. You will get a 25. X square is 25, implies x value will be square on taking to other side, it will be root 25, that is 5. Okay, so x value we will get 5. We need a height of the trapezium. So height equal to 2x. So in this you can substitute for x equal to 5. So if x equal to 5, height will be height equal to 2x. Value of x is 5. So 2 into 5 you will get a 10 centimeter. The unit is given in centimeter. So height of the trapezium or distance between them, the two parallel lines, is 10 centimeter. Okay. Fourth question. A parallelogram has sides of 15 centimeter and 12 centimeter. If the distance between 15 centimeter sides is 6 centimeter, find the distance between 12 centimeter sides. So a parallelogram, its sides are given 15 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So if this side is 15 centimeter, side opposite to this side will be 15 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. Now these two sides will be 12 centimeter. Okay. Now in the question it is given distance between 15 centimeter sides. രണ്ട് 15 centimeter sides-ലുള്ള distance means perpendicular distance. It is given 6 centimeter. We have to find the distance between 12 centimeter sides. Okay, this distance we have to find. The length of this line or this distance between 12 centimeter sides we have to find. Okay. So here if 15 centimeter, if we take this side as base, then corresponding height will be 6 centimeter. 15 centimeter side ആണ് നമ്മൾ ബേസ് ആക്കി എടുത്തെങ്കിൽ അതിന് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ഹൈറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 6 centimeter ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദിസ് പാരലലോഗ്രാം, we know the formula base into corresponding height. Okay, so if 15 centimeter is the base, then corresponding height will be 6 centimeter. 15 into 6. 15 into 6 you will get 90 centimeter square. So this is the area of this parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is 90 centimeter square. Now area of parallelogram we can find like this also. If 12 centimeter is the base, then height will be, corresponding height will be this line. Okay, 12 centimeter ആണ് നമ്മൾ ബേസ് ആക്കി എടുത്തെങ്കിൽ corresponding height എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ ലൈൻ ആയിരിക്കും. Let us take it as h. Okay, it is not given, length of that line is not given, so let us take it as h. So area of parallelogram equal to, if 12 centimeter base into corresponding height, this is the formula. Now area of parallelogram, area of this parallelogram we already find it 90 centimeter square. Whatever be the base, area will be the same. So 90 equal to base, we take it as 12 centimeter. Okay, so 12 into corresponding height, it is h. Okay, we need to find this h. So 90, this multiplication 12, on taking to this side it will be divided by 12 equal to h. Now 90 divided by 12 is 7.5 centimeter. So this will be the height corresponding to 12 centimeter sides, or the distance between 12 centimeter side. 12 centimeter side in the distance nu parayunnathu 7.5 centimeter ആയിരിക്കും. Okay.